morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this video. Hi! This is your girl, Tara Love Diva, women 50 and beyond. I made this t-shirt over the summertime. I don't know if you can see it's women 50 and beyond. So, you're wondering why I'm standing here in this messy area. Me too. No, I'm just kidding. Before we get into why we here today is Vlogmas Day. Computer, what's today's date?
It's Tuesday, December 13th.
December 13th. I knew that. I'm looking at the calendar. I just wanted to say computer. Anywho, Vlogmas Day 13. Today on Vlogmas 13, sometime later on today, I will be making me a nice hot chocolate with some Baileys, and it's a Christmas drink. But I just came on. This is not much of a Christmas thing, but it is today. Move over. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl, Tara Love Diva. Why my camera so far up there? Okay. So, do me a favor, pause for my silliness and subscribe to my channel and turn on that bell notification. That way you will be notified when your girl upload. Go Tara, go Tara. I don't know where that skip jump come from, but anywho. Today's video is really much not based around Christmas, because this part here has to be done because I'm getting a lot of orders for different things like hair bonnets, book covers, my books, which will be down below in the description box. Description of all my books that are now on Amazon. I have 7 books on Amazon. There are planners and journals. Yes, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff, journaling and stuff. You get the point. So I will be doing a lot of journaling and all that great stuff. So with that being said, today we are going to switch this up. I don't know how I'm gonna switch it up, but we're gonna switch it up because it needs to be done. But I'm gonna give you a tour. This is a cutting table. I'm gonna put contact paper over it because it's really cut up. I might bring in my other table. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna bring in my other table and we're gonna do some work. We're just gonna change this up because right now underneath is all the fabric for sewing, and I'm gonna get to that in a second. Over here is where I keep all the stuff for sewing, which became messy because I was working yesterday and looking for stuff. So it's time to organize this because this is the game plan. I'm gonna stop sewing clothes for me for a minute because, you know, my midsection, it's getting on my nerves. It's not, my clothes are not fitting that I'm making, and it's discouraging. So with that being said, soon as I get rid of the gut, soon it's going. We'll get back into sewing, but right now I'm looking into the summerish time that I will get back into sewing. But right now I will be still sewing just book covers. Ta-da! But I'm getting back into my crafty side because, you know, you name it, I can do it. So we're gonna get into the crafty side. We're gonna start making book covers. I've sold 5 so far. What else? Oh, hair bonnets. People's been buying my hair bonnets. Sorry, girl. Let me just turn you around. She's not hiding. The hair bonnet that I made here. So little things like that, it has been selling, and pillowcases. But I'm not going to really get into the pillowcases because it's hard to find the satin, real satin, at the fabric store here. I don't drive and I'm not traveling. So, we're going to get into now crafty stuff. I'm going to do a lot of my what's in my journals, how I plan organize my journals. It's going to be a lot of stuff because people they're really interested. I didn't know that. So, why I look so dark? Now I just washed myself out in the back. Come down. Oh, that's too much. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry about that. Did I have anything up my nose while I was that close? I'm sure you people probably would tell me. So we get into crafty stuff. I'm just babbling because as I look through the camera at all this mess, it's like, oh my God, I gotta clean it up. So we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna bring out my other table so that could be the center. Then I'm gonna set up my lights and everything for my crafty. So I'm gonna push this here, back here, back on this wall. And yes, get rid of some of the fabrics that I'm not using. Not get rid of, but put up fabrics that I am not using right now. And we'll go from there. And all the fabrics that I am using for my book covers. That's what we will be doing. So, I'm going to finish up my coffee because I had a busy morning. I had to go and get something. I had to go out and then I'm back. Now we're going to get into, because right now it is 12. Dang, it's lunchtime. Girl, go get you some lunch. Yes, so I'm going to finish my coffee, then go fix me something to eat. And then we are going to do this. And then we're going to make my hot chocolate. I'm going to name it. It's going to be Paradise Hot Chocolate. Now, we're going to find a name for my hot chocolate, but it's a cocktail hot chocolate. So, with that being said, let's get into the video. By then, I'll have on some makeup when I do that. Because right now, it's too hot to put on makeup to clean up. No makeup to clean up. There you go. Go, Tara. Go, Tara. Go. I'm babbling. Can I just hire somebody to come and do this? Huh? Anybody? Somebody? Anybody want to come clean up this mess?